The new automatic seam welding machine for automobile fuel tanks adopts automatic design. It can automatically rotate, move, and weld automatically, and the entire production process does not require manual intervention. It has high production efficiency and good welding effect. After seam welding, the fuel tank will not leak, and it can pass the rigorous tests of major automobile manufacturers. It has been widely used in the automatic seam welding production of automobile fuel tanks of many world-class brands such as Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Geely, Cherry, BID, etc. We are a manufacturer of automatic seam welding machines for automobile fuel tanks and can customize all kinds of semi-automatic and fully automatic seam welding machines for automobile fuel tanks. It can automatically weld automobile fuel tanks of different thicknesses and sizes. Aluminum automobile fuel tanks and carbon steel automobile fuel tanks can be welded at high speed. We have many mature application cases to ensure that you get the most cost-effective machine and the best service. Reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. OEM available. We ship directly from the factory. No middlemen make the difference. The price of the machine is cheaper and the service is better. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.